So continue. Material that does not resemble business documents. Okay. Business-related material are commonly written in ordinary script on a movable document. Okay. It is common for a business matter to be chiseled on a wall. It's uncommon. I'm sorry. Again, the business-related documents are commonly written in ordinary script, regular script, movable documents. On a movable document, movable documents on a paper, basically, that you can take back and forth. Okay, that's you can put it in your safe, or you can I don't know, do whatever. Right? It is uncommon for a business matter to be chiseled on the wall. Right? They say the plaques, plaques they would chisel on the wall. Okay, it is therefore permitted to read letters that are engraved, right, or raised on the wall. Right, engrave or raise on the wall. So there's plaques on the wall. So, but just as we're on the topic, so we're not allowed to read in the letters that stand out in a cemetery. In a cemetery, because it's bad for the person's vision. When they imprinted like chiseled in, so there is no problem. But stand out, I guess it would be like, I'm not sure how they do it. They remove the stone around it, or they would glue the letters. I'm not sure how they do that, but that's what very not good for a vision. Okay, only on a cemetery. Okay, in the cemetery. Okay. Okay, okay, so is therefore permitted to read the letters engraved or raised. So this type is called raised on the wall, since this type of the script is completely dissimilar to the business document. Okay, so right, so business document in regular script in a movable background, but here is a difference, right? However. It is forbidden to read letters that are written on the wall or engraved over movable tablets, since such a letter is similar in one respect to the business document. So again, it is forbidden to read letters that are written on the wall, I don't know, some poster or something, right? Or engraved on a movable tablet that that you can take from place to place, since such a letters is similar to one respect to the business document. It is written or it is on the movable surface. Okay, surface is a word. Okay, again, is it written or on a movable surface? Okay, it is also forbidden to read actual business matter, for example, an advertisement that is written in engraved or raised letters on a wall. So is it advertised like permanent advertisement? I don't know, like right? I'm not sure what would it be. What would it be? I mean, some store they would say like neon like advertisement or something. Okay, so I think that's a good example. The prohibition of reading secular material include reading billboards, right? So billboards is for sure it's business, right? Billboards or caption under the pictures, right? Captures are under the pictures. However, the prohibition is limited to reading stories. Messages, or description of some lands. It is permitted to read the caption that merely identifies the name of a person, right? So, but long captures are not. Okay. Similarly, it is permitted to read street signs on Shabbos. It is prohibited, however, to read signs that describe historical significance of the given location. Usually, it's like on a plaque, like it would be with raised letters, I think, a metal plate or something, right? So, right, it says that this is historic building. This is this writer or composer used to live here, right? That's the thing. Very interesting. So continue. So, but street signs you can read, because it's like if you don't know where you go, or you go to a shul, for example, you got invited. Somebody invited me to his shul. I said, thank you very much, but to walk to his shul for me it's like an hour. Okay, it's okay.